Here are the top 10 prehistoric crocodiles. Number 10. Deinosuchus. Deinosuchus was a small terrestrial crocodile known for its unique skull morphology, which gave it the nickname duck croc. It had a specialized skull with jaws that resembled the bill of a duck, featuring a single pointed protrusion extending from the front of the snout. It is proposed that this protrusion was used to root out small prey items. It was discovered in Gadafawa, Niger. Number 9. Purussaurus. Purussaurus, an extinct crocodiliform, is estimated to have grown to a length of 3 meters or 10 feet. It had a unique jaw structure, featuring 3 sets of large caniniform teeth that protruded above and below the skull, with one set in the lower jaw fitting into notches in the upper jaw, which prevented its jaw from being held open permanently by its own teeth. Purussaurus also had large, rugose horns on its skull, formed from the squamosal and parietal bones, which projected backwards. This feature is also seen in its smaller relative, Deinosuchus, making it stand out from other crocodiliforms. Number 8. Langstonia. Langstonia is an extinct genus of sebecid crocodilomorphs from the Miocene of South America. It had a larger size than Sebecus ichiorinus and had jaws and teeth that were even more flattened. Langstonia was likely a land animal that used its teeth to cut and tear its prey. It was one of the apex predators in its ecosystem, as there were no other large predators that could have equated its size. Its extinction is likely due to the gradual uplift of the Andes and the disappearance of the large rivers of the Amazon lake system, which caused major ecological changes in South America in the mid-Miocene. Number 7. Crocodilus anthropophagus. Crocodilus anthropophagus is considered to be an extinct species of crocodile that lived during the Pleistocene era, around 1.84 million years ago. It was a large predator, reaching a length of 7.5 meters, 25 feet, and its skeleton is similar to that of living crocodile species. This species is notable for its large triangular horns over the ears, and for its lack of the shallow bony crests running from the eyes to the nose that are present in Indo-Pacific crocodiles, and the boss, lump of bone, on the middle of the snout seen in neotropical crocodiles. Number 6. Euthecodon. Euthecodon is an extinct genus of long-snout crocodilian crocodilians that lived in Africa during the Neogene period, with many fossils being found in Kenya. It existed from the early Miocene to the early Pleistocene, and was common throughout much of Africa during that time. Some estimates suggest that it reached a total body length of up to 10 meters, 33 feet, making it one of the largest crocodilian crocodilians known. Number 5. Deinosuchus. Deinosuchus is an extinct Neosuchian reptile from the late Cretaceous period of Egypt that grew to a length of 10 meters, 33 feet, and possessed a long, flattened skull with lid-like jaws that were lined with small, conical teeth, and the skull reached up to 2 meters, 6.6 feet, long. The mandible may have been toothless and perhaps even supported a pelican-like throat pouch. The diet of S. inermis remains unknown, and the weight of the animal is currently unknown as well. The only known specimen was found in Egypt in 1911 and is now lost. Only photographs remain. Number 4. Sarcosuchus. Sarcosuchus, also known as the supercroc, is an extinct species of crocodiliform that lived 112 million years ago during the early Cretaceous period. It was a giant relative of crocodiles, with fully grown individuals estimated to have reached up to 9 to 9.5 meters in total length and 3.5 to 4.3 metric tons in weight. The animal had somewhat telescoped eyes, a long snout that makes up 75% of the length of the skull, and a large number of teeth, 35 teeth in each side of the upper jaw and 31 teeth in each side of the lower jaw. The upper jaw was also noticeably longer than the lower one, creating an overbite when jaws were shut. The shape of the snout in young individuals resembled that of the living gharial, but in fully grown individuals it became considerably broader. It was a quadrupedal animal and was likely a semi-aquatic animal, spending a significant amount of time both in water and on land, and was an apex predator of its time. Number 3. Deinosuchus. Deinosuchus is an extinct genus of alligatoroid crocodilian that lived during the late Cretaceous period, 82 to 73 million years ago. Its name translates as terrible crocodile, and it was much larger than any modern crocodile or alligator, with the largest adults measuring 10.64 meters, 34.9 feet, in total length. It had large, robust teeth built for crushing, and its back was covered with thick hemispherical osteoderms. Deinosuchus fossils have been found in 10 U.S. states and northern Mexico, and it was an opportunistic apex predator in the coastal regions of eastern North America. It probably fed on large dinosaurs, sea turtles, fish, and other aquatic and terrestrial prey. Despite its large size, the overall appearance of Deinosuchus was not considerably different from that of modern crocodilians, with an alligator-like, broad snout, and a unique skull shape. The bite force of Deinosuchus has been estimated to be 18,000 to 102,803 newtons. Number 2. Purussaurus. Purussaurus is an extinct genus of giant caiman that lived in South America during the Miocene epoch. It is known from skull material found in various locations in South America, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Panama, and Venezuela. The largest known individual of the type species had a skull length of 1,453 millimeters, 57.2 in, and has been estimated to have reached about 10.3 meters, 34 feet, in length, weighing about 5.16 metric tons. Purussaurus was one of the largest known crocodiliforms ever to have existed, with estimates of its length and weight varying between studies. It is believed to have been an apex predator in its ecosystem, with a diet that included large to very large vertebrates. However, its large size may have made it vulnerable to changes in its environment, leading to its extinction. Coming at our top spot, we have Number 1. Deinosuchus. Deinosuchus is an extinct crocodile that lived in Africa during the early Cretaceous period, around 125 million years ago. It was large in size, estimated to reach up to 10 meters, 33 feet, in length, and had a long snout and sharp teeth. It was a semi-aquatic animal that likely hunted in both aquatic and terrestrial environments and ate a variety of prey such as fish and large land-dwelling animals. It is an important species in understanding the evolution of crocodiliforms and the diversity of animals that lived in Africa during the early Cretaceous period. And that's our top 10. Please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.